Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'll be teaching you how you're going to create a consigned order. So let's go to the tutorial.
To create a consigned order, click on New. Next, select the company you're ordering from, the sales representative, and the sales tax that will be applied to the slabs in your bundle. In the Delivery Status field, make sure to choose Consigned. Then, fill in all the necessary information. On the same page, add the bundle in the Bundle Details field. You can click here and type the name of the bundle of your choice. Click Save. Your consigned order is now created. At the top of the page, you'll find all the main order information. Here are the details of your invoice, and you can also add any additional information related to it. And right here, you can download the PDF files of your invoice and the packing list. You can also send these documents to your contacts by email and upload any additional files if needed. In the List of Orders section, you can check the consigned order you just created.
So I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside slabware.com and start a free trial right now.